you make me feel, boy, you give me chills, baby. I'm gonna break it down. You just drive me wild.
Hey you guys, it's Kel and I am back to do another video for you all. Now, the wig I have up next is June. Now, this one is an oldie but goodie too. Everybody had her, and then it was like she was always sold out and I could never get her. So this is the Janet Collection extended part lace, extremely deep part lace wig, 100% premium fiber. Why they do that? Like, oh my god. Either way, this is June and it's extremely deep part lace wig. I have her in a number 2. And I'm kind of excited about this one because she was so pretty on everybody. So this is June. I haven't even taken her out the pack yet. Okay. She got a lot of packaging. Okay, this is Miss June. Alright, she long. Which I kind of knew, but she thick. That's what I wanted. I wanted a thick wig. Oh, she had a roller in it too that I just rolled on out. So it's another roller in there. She got rollers. So here's June. The lace is tinted. That's cute. It's already like a brown. Hey, I like that. Okay, this is the inside of her. She has 2 combs in the front. That really deep, long, extremely deep parting that they keep talking about. She does have the lace in the front. She doesn't have any combs in the back, but she does have adjustable straps. Okay, so let me cut the lace off of her and I'll be right back. Hey you guys, I am back with Miss June on. Okay, I had to work a little harder with this one. Do I think she's a cute style? She is. She is really, really cute in the middle. And I'm not a middle part kind of girl, but I'm kind of feeling myself in Miss June. Miss June got me feeling a type of way. Now, first off, this is June. I have her in number 2. She is about maybe 24, 25 inches. She goes to my waist, literally my waist. So she is extremely long and I'm not really a big fan of really long hair, but she is beautiful. Now, she is definitely big head friendly because I have put my straps on. I had to go get my wig ribbed, which I didn't put it on, but I had to go get it because this wig is literally slipping and sliding off my head because it is so big. This cap is probably the biggest cap I've ever had. I've never had a wig literally slip off my head. This wig is slipping and sliding, joyriding. Like all over my head, like it's really big. But I do have a really, really small head. I say that in every video so people can understand that I really do have a smaller head. So, is she gorgeous? Yes. I am feeling Miss June and I'm feeling her in the middle. I don't usually do middles. The last wig that I had that I loved in the middle was Trissa and Valentino. Those were the last 2, and those were my 2 favorite. One of, you know, Trissa wasn't on my favorites list, but she was an honorable mention. But all right, Miss June, I'm feeling June. She looked like a sew-in. She had a little humpiness here, so I used my blow dryer to go ahead and blow it out a little bit at the top. But she is literally sliding all over my head like y'all look. She big. So I probably do need to put my wig grip on next time I wear this, and of course bobby pins to secure down because I have a lot of room in this here cap. But she's gorgeous, y'all. Is she tangling? Yes. When I was cutting the lace off, I had her on my canvas head, and she was shedding a lot. And that was after I cut her. Like, I cut the lace off, I shook her out, you know, to get what I did cut, because sometimes shedding is you cutting off the lace. So I did shake her out a lot, and she's still shedding. Is she tangling? Yes. So shedding and tangling. This wig is really long, so she's going to tangle. Like, we kind of can't stop tangling with something that's long. And it's a synthetic wig, so it's going to tangle. I'm kind of looking forward to a tangling, but look, y'all, she just, like, a lot of hair is coming out. And I did just comb a lot out too, so I don't know if you can see all this hair that I got in my hand, but like clumps is coming out. Not clumps, but a lot of strands at one time. Let's say that. She is shedding, but I don't know. Maybe because she cute, I don't care. When I don't like her and they tangle, I'll be like, ah, or they shed, I'll be like, ah, y'all, this wig whack. But this one is cute. I like June. All right, let me switch her. Put a, you know, for my right side girls, can she be switched? Yeah, she can. Although she got the ear flaps, so it may be uncomfortable for some. But this is her on the right side. Y'all look, the wig's so big, I just combed it and it came all the way down. Honey, this wig big. Like, I'm really not trying to exaggerate. Like, this wig is big. Okay. Okay, this is her on the right. If you want to switch her up. Okay, on the right. But I'm not a right side girl. So, let's go ahead and switch her to the left side. The best side. To me. So, go ahead and put on the left. Bring on up. This wig's so big. This gotta be the biggest wig I've ever had. I know that sounds crazy, but I have not had a wig this big. I think the biggest cap that I had was probably Chiari, Sensational Chiari, from the What lace line. That was a big cap. But this one, honey, is huge. So she real cute. I'm kind of feeling myself in mid-June. The last couple of wigs I wasn't really feeling, y'all. So to get a wig and you like, oh, that's this wig for me. Like, she's giving it to me. Although I think I prefer her in the middle. I need to adjust it back on my little small head so it don't look crazy. But I think I prefer her in the middle. This is gorgeous. Now she go with the tangles, but she long, so she's gonna tangle. But yes, y'all, I'm gonna get some fire pictures off this here wig. I just want y'all to know. Like, but that's all I gotta say about her. She's cute. Is she tangling? Yes. Is she shedding? Yes. I have her in a number 2. She's about 24, 26 inches. She real long, and she's pretty. And she is adjustable, although the ear tabs will move because it has ear tabs. So it will move, and that may be uncomfortable for some, but for me, I can adjust and be okay. But y'all, this pretty. Yes, okay. That's it for Miss June. She pretty, there's nothing else to say. But she's gorgeous. I don't know if y'all can deal with this tangling, but she really is tangling. But she cute. Like, I have to deal with it. She real cute. So that is all for Miss June by the Janet Collection. Let me know what you guys want to see. Please comment, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna keep it real. I am made